One of the remarkable aspects a minimalist home introduces into your life is the profound sense of serenity and calmness that permeates the space. Picture entering a home where every item has been thoughtfully chosen, contributing to a peaceful atmosphere. Visitors often comment on the calming effect, attributing it to the intentional selection and placement of items. It's not merely about the wall color or organization, rather, it's the harmony achieved by respecting and appreciating every item in the minimalist home. The absence of unnecessary possessions eliminates visual clutter, allowing the mind to unwind and find solace. This simplicity is a deliberate curation of elements that align with personal values and growth. Next up, effortless organization and knowing where to find things. A minimalist home inherently promotes an effortless sense of organization, offering a practical solution to the perpetual challenge of locating belongings. When you possess fewer items, each possession naturally finds its designated space. Imagine a kitchen with only 3 cooking pots. Cleaning up becomes a breeze as each pot easily finds its home after use. This intentional reduction in possessions not only streamlines the space, but also transforms the act of finding things into a seamless, stress-free experience. With fewer items, there's no need for the pre-cleaning ritual of shuffling around clutter before wiping down surfaces. This newfound efficiency extends beyond physical spaces, permeating into the mental realm. Knowing where everything is creates a mental clarity, alleviating the mental burden of a cluttered environment and contributing to an overall sense of well-being. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and let us know you're ready for more minimalism content by commenting "I am a minimalist." Third thing is simplicity breeds a cleaner and easily maintained home. Picture a living space where each item has its designated place and purpose. With the elimination of unnecessary clutter and the intentional arrangement of belongings, maintaining a pristine home becomes a straightforward and efficient task. No longer is there a need to navigate through a maze of items before wiping down surfaces or mopping the floor. The minimalist home's cleanliness is not just a visual aspect, but a reflection of the streamlined lifestyle it promotes. This surplus of space contributes to a more straightforward cleaning routine, eliminating the need for elaborate pre-cleaning rituals. The process becomes more about maintenance and less about overcoming obstacles in the form of excess items. Next up, developing a respectful relationship with possessions. In a minimalist home, every item serves a purpose, contributing to a life that is genuinely better, easier, or more content. The absence of items bought on a whim with unfulfilled aspirations eliminates the guilt associated with their presence. Instead, possessions become integral components that enhance the quality of life without inducing feelings of inadequacy or discomfort. The minimalist philosophy encourages a mindset where belongings are appreciated for their utility and contribution to daily life. Without the weight of unused or unwanted items, possessions take on a new role, one that aligns with personal values and promotes a sense of fulfillment. This shift in perspective fosters a respectful relationship with belongings. Finally, unveiling internal clarity and space for growth. In the minimalist home, the intentional removal of unnecessary physical and mental clutter creates a canvas for internal clarity and personal growth. With only the essentials and meaningful items in the living space, the mind gains the freedom to explore new ideas and passions. Minimalism provides the mental space required for contemplation, allowing individuals to delve into new concepts without the hindrance of physical or mental obstacles. This newfound internal clarity is not just about the physical environment, but extends to the mental landscape. With fewer distractions and a deliberate curation of possessions, a minimalist home becomes a breeding ground for creativity and personal development. The openness and simplicity of the space invite individuals to pursue new ideas and plans with a sense of freedom and purpose, cultivating a life aligned with their desires and values. There you have it, 5 things that a minimalist home will bring you. Do you want to know the best and smartest minimalism tips and tricks? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.